I've been getting a lot of questions around majoring in management information systems. And today guys, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should pursue a career in management information systems. That is right. Now let's get to the video. What is up, ladder climbers? This is Antoine Wade, and in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should pursue a career in management information systems. Welcome back to the Black Heights channel, where we talk about all things related to the skill development in the IT sector. Now, before we get to the video, y'all, do me a stone cold favor and stomp that like button, as it helps us grow the channel. And guys, we are going to jump right into this video today, guys. We're going to talk about 5 reasons why you should pursue a career in management information systems. And I'm going to start with my number 1. My number 1 is the work environment. So if you think about like most high-paying jobs require you to work in either poor weather or potentially unsafe environments, or some of it may be seasonal work, but a career in management information systems is going to guarantee that you're going to be working in a safe working environment. So most MIS employees work in offices that are very spacious, nice, filled with cold air, filled with snacks. Some of them have, sparkling water. And it really gives you the opportunity to just have a nice, comfortable working environment, low risk of getting hurt, low risk of accidents and things like that. Now, I must say, if you go into MIS and are in the supply chain industry and work in warehouses or distribution centers, you could potentially have a higher risk of injuries and accidents and things like that. I've been in the industry for a long time and used to be in distribution centers for years. Never had an injury, but I can definitely see how people could be injured. Just imagine walking down a aisle and you have a forklift coming over you and they're going to put a pallet up, and let's just say that pallet drops. High risk of injury there, but never happened to me and doesn't happen to most people. Really low risk of injury. So my number 1 in this video is the work environment. My number 2, guys, and this is very important to me, and this is one of the reasons why I decided to major in management information systems. It's just a higher wages, guys. Careers in management information systems offer so many job opportunities in so many walks of life. So where an individual like you or myself, when I started off, my first job out of college was about $48,000, and that was in 2005 or 2006, excuse me. But a lot of careers don't allow you to have a high starting salary in management information systems. On average today, the average salary for somebody graduating is around $55,000 to $60,000, guys. So you're going to have a high wage. There's also potential chance for promotions to earn even higher wages. I mean, my first year was at $48,000. The second year was around $58,000 or $54,000, and it just kept going up and up and up. And because of the field allows you to continue to ladder climb, because you're in the mix of technology and business, and if you're using your skill sets right, you can continue to ladder climb to make even more money. And the majority of MIS professionals, if you look at the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median pay is around $151,000, guys. So you have an opportunity to make a high wage, which is higher than the majority of careers that exist out there. My number 3, guys, is the employment. The employment, guys. Just imagine getting into a career where you are going to have ample amounts of opportunities. And again, the Bureau of Labor Statistics shows that the job outlook for MIS professionals is 10% higher, which is greater than the average, which is at 4%. So management information systems professionally, they generally work full-time positions. It can be a very challenging career because information technology constantly changes and you're going to have to constantly grow and change with it. But even though the economy may fluctuate at times and workers are laid off, very seldom does this affect people in the management information systems route, because they have good knowledge on business processes and good knowledge on information technology. So it is a fantastic degree which allows you to use those skills in multiple industries, and you will contain or maintain employment. The fourth one would be career advancements. So businesses are becoming more dependent on technology every single day. And as a management information systems professional, you will have a good understanding and knowledge of what technology fits into certain business areas, and also have a good sense of what business strategies you want to use to help improve the overall company. And when you put that together, managers, executives are going to see that you are very valuable. And not only managers or executives are going to see that you're very valuable, but your customers are going to see that you're very valuable. And you're going to be able to climb the ladder. And your education is going to help with that, because you're going to have an opportunity to learn how to problem solve, how to critical think, and how to communicate better, which is all the skills that you're going to need in order for you to climb the ladder. So guys, management information systems offers you a great opportunity to advance in your career, to make more money. And I am a person that has shown you guys that. Check out my LinkedIn. And my number 5, guys. My number 5 is the flexibility. Working in management information systems involves working with, again, computers, and being knowledgeable on both computer systems and information technology and business processes. And there is really not any career that does not involve these two things. So with the degree in management information systems, you're not limited to one business or one organization. You'll be qualified to work in various industries, including financials and supply chain that I always talk about on this channel, consulting, administration companies, healthcare organizations, telecommunications, schools, government entities, and more. And because industries rely heavily on technology today, guys, management information systems graduates find rapid job growth all over the world. According to the US News and World Reports, they state that many of the best technology jobs in 2020 and 21 are in the area of management information systems. So guys, those are my 5 reasons that I always preach about pursuing a career in management information systems. Let me do a quick recap on that for you guys. The work environment, higher wages, more employment, advancement opportunities, and the flexibility that the career allows you to have. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment on any of these points or these topics. I love to hear from you guys. Also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell to be alerted when I drop that new content. And until next time, y'all, peace.